pakisabi kay Sarah ha. Hindi ko naman gusto tong
It's just so freaking weird na she has a law degree and willingly spew this out. Ang sabi pa nga niya,
no joke.
like, ate, natutuwa nga ako sa mga sinasabi mo kasi I know na those bombshell rambling revelations are something that we should be looking into kasi marami kang sinasabing ad-libs and I don't think that it is rehearsed in the most minutest of sense. Talagang we need to be looking into what you just said, lalo na sa mga pinamimigay raw na pera sa mga kinukurakot ng House Speaker, ng Presidente at ni Liza. Talagang nanggagalaiti ka habang kinukwento yung mga sinasabi mong ginawa ni Romualdez at Liza. So, maybe we should be looking into that. Pero, na-overshadow silang lahat dahil sinabi mo na you have already contacted someone to kill the three people. The three most powerful people in the country. Of course, we won't know how to take this. Kasi, imagine this, you're his VP, magka-tandem kayo, and a few years later, all of the talks about unity, hahantong pala kayo sa ganito. Di ba? Ang weird. Sila Marcos, Romualdez ba ang mga nagpa-gurger sa'yo nung una? Why did you have to admit it live on the internet? Bakit mo pa sinabi yung gano'n? Maybe to give a warning kanila BBM, Liza Araneta, and Martin Romualdez to tread lightly, especially since nasa loob ka ng batasang pambansa. Balwarte nilang tatlong magkakamag-anak. Now, alam mo, this was too much for 1 week. Yung mga ganitong bagay, inaabot ng buwan. Sabi nga nila, there are months where nothing happens and there are days where months happen or something like